Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Benjamin and you are watching Sartorial Styles. In the sartorial field there are some things where I wasn't really into before, and one of these things is wristwatches. I ordered some wristwatches like 2 years ago and I liked them. They looked quite nice, but they were really cheap watches, like $4, $5, $6 from AliExpress, and I sold them again. I didn't really wear them, so I decided to pull the trigger on a proper wristwatch. This is an Orient wristwatch that arrived yesterday, and I'm really excited to unbox it and see how it looks and see how it fits my wrists, because I do have really small wrists. That's also why I didn't want some kind of 40mm plus kind of watch, but a smaller one. So let's see how this looks. I don't really remember the full name of this watch because they are very complicated mostly, so you can see it in the video title, and I will also link the watch down below in the description. And yeah, so if you're interested in that, feel free to check it out. And now let's start with unboxing this. So, and here we are. Yeah, a nice little paper box with an Orient logo on it. Let's take a look. Okay, so first we have a multi-language instruction manual, including English and also German language. And here we have the guarantee card, the guarantee book. And this is the box. It looks extremely nice in my opinion, especially considering that this was a cheap watch. This was under 200 euros. It's an automatic watch, and I think this looks really nice. This is not real metal, this is plastic, but it looks very good. Also with the fake screws in the corners. Yeah, great in my opinion, great packaging. And okay, this is how it looks opened up. Again, an Orient logo in the inside of the box. And here we have the watch. And nothing else actually, that's everything. Very nice. Okay, another Orient logo on here. Now I just take it off. Yes. And remove the plastic from the strap. Yeah. Very good looking watch actually for the money in my opinion. Very simple and elegant style with the small date window, and yeah, really nice. So let's just see how to open this up. Like this, okay. This will probably have to be shortened because, as I said, I do have really small wrists. So let's see how to close this again. That's how to close it. Yeah, as I said, it really is a bit large. Not only a bit, it's actually very large, so I really have to shorten this one. But I think from the size of the watch itself and not the bracelet, it really fits my wrists quite well actually. I think you can see it in this shot. Very nice. So I would love to tell you some more details about the watch. I know that it's a mechanical in-house movement from Orient, and that's basically it. I really bought this one because I thought it looked nice. I'm not really a watch guy. I have no clue about different movements and different jewels and all these things, so I just bought this one because it fits my budget and because I thought that it looks very nice and fits my style very well. So I'm excited what you think. Maybe we have some watch enthusiasts here in the community, so tell me if this was a good choice movement-wise and just value for the money-wise, but I think that I will have to get this one shortened, and then I will probably post a picture on Instagram wearing this one. So if you want to see this, feel free to follow @sartorialstyles.com on Instagram. And of course also feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I will leave you with some more footage of the watch right now, and hope that you have a great time. So have a nice time, as I said, and see you next week.
White boy.